Hello, this is Mediation Fahim, student ID 210946110. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to do this presentation. Now, I will begin my presentation. Navigating the intersection of AI and copyright law. Welcome to this presentation where we embark on a journey through the intergoing and intricate world of artificial intelligence and copyright law. In this presentation, we will explore the fascinating and complex intersection of artificial intelligence, AI, and copyright law. AI's capabilities are rapidly advancing, particularly in the realm of generative AI, which can create entirely new content based on past databases of existing works. This innovation presents a challenge to copyright law, which is designed to protect the rights of creators and incentives to creative work. As AI's capabilities rapidly evolve, particularly in generative AI, the intersection with copyright law poses profound challenges. Now, let's dive into the legal landscape, examining key issues, landmark cases, and potential solutions to ensure creativity flourish in the AI era. The impact of generative AI on copyright law. Generative AI, fueled by past datasets, produces astonishing creative outputs, but does it infringe on copyrights by using existing material for training? Who owns the copyright of AI generated context? These questions lie at the heart of the legal debate. Copyright law, a cornerstone of creative industries, grants exclusive rights to creators. Yet, AI's ability to learn from the incorporated copyrighted material challenges traditional notions of ownership and control. Legal challenges and uncertainties. The legal landscape is fraught with uncertainties. Does AI use the copyrighted material for training constitute infringement, and who bears liability? The programmer or AI itself? Let's explore these questions through real world examples. Now we can overlook the case study. Unfortunately, no UK precedent yet. There are currently no leading UK cases directly addressing AI and copyright. However, we can look at the relevant case law from other jurisdictions and consider potential interpretations within the UK legal framework. Examples from other jurisdictions like Oracle versus Google US. This landmark case explored fair use in this context of software's APIs. While not directly involving AIs, it sheds the light on the analysis of transformative use. Fair use in doctrine in the UK. The UK has a concept of fair dealing, and the copyrighted material similar to fair use in the US. However, fair dealings has a narrow scope and is defined on the case by case basis. The following factors are considered: the purposes of the character of the use, the nature of the copyrighted work, and the amount and the sustainability of the portion used. And finally, the effect of the use upon the potential market. Our first case study examines the ongoing legal battle between Getty Images, a prominent stock photo agency, and Stability AI, the developer of the popular AI image generator Stable Diffusion. This case is a landmark case, and as it is delves into the core issue of the whether AI training on a copyrighted material constitute copyright infringement. Getty Images argues that Stability AI's actions constitute a clear case of copyright infringement. The vast amount of copyrighted images and data used to train Stable Diffusion, along with the alleged failure to properly handle copyright management information, represents significant unauthorized use of Getty Images intellectual property. Stability AI defends itself by invoking the fair use of doctrine. They argue that they're training their AI on publicly available area, including images from Getty Image website. is transformative use of protected by fair use. Additionally, they claim that the amount of copyrighted material used in each training image is insignificant and doesn't warrant copyright infringement claims. The legal battle between Getty Images and Stability AI is currently unfolding in the courts. The outcome of this case will have significant implications for the future of AI development and copyright law. A decision in favor of Getty Images could establish stricter limitations on AI training and data and potentially require permission from copyright holders. Conversely, a ruling in favor of Stability AI could pave the way of broader use of copyrighted material for AI training under the um, fair use doctrine. We will continue to monitor this case and update the presentation accordingly. Our second case study explores the landmark copyrighted battle between Oracle America versus Google. This case centered on the use of Java application programming interfaces (APIs) in Google's Android operating system. While not directly involving AI, but it sheds light on how courts are interpreting fair use, are transformative and used in the context of software and creative context. Oracle argued that Google infringed on the copyright by incorporating key elements of the Java API into the Android operating system. Uh, this included both the specific code used to define functionalities, declaring code, and the overall structure and the organization of the API itself. According to Oracle, Google's use of these copyrighted elements and was unauthorized and violated their intellectual property rights. Uh, Google defended its actions by invoking the fair use doctrine. They argued that their use of Java API was transformative because it is enabled them to create an Android operating system in new and distinct platform. And additionally, they claim that the copyright protects the original expression of code, not the underlying functionality. Since they only use the functional aspects of the APIs to achieve specific programming goals, they didn't infringe on Oracle's copyright. The role of fair use doctrine. First use doctrine, a battle balancing act, permits limited use of copyrighted material for transformative purposes. But how does it apply in the age of AI? Let's examine the four factors course considers. Course-wise, the factors such as the purposes of the use of nature of work, the amount of use and its impact on the market, and finally, this consideration guide judgment on AI use of copyrighted material. Looking ahead, challenges and opportunities. As AI continues to evolve, so to most copyright law, the emergence of AI raises complex mm, ownership and AI generated works to bias in training data, montage of AI technologies and creative outputs. Yet amidst these challenges lie opportunities in international collaboration, flexible interpretations of fair use, and safeguarding human creators' rights are essential steps towards navigating this complex terrain. In conclusion, the coalition of AI and copyright law presents a multi-faced challenges. Be careful in navigating this intersection. We can ensure that AI continues to be forged for creativity and progress. Thank you for joining me on this journey.